Hello guys, welcome to Studio 9 and today we will be seeing how to remove the green screen from your videos in Premiere Pro. So before we head into the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon so you never miss one of my videos. Now let's go. So we're going to start off by importing our media. So here I have my folder with all of my items ready. Now you see I have labeled one as background and the other as wound with green screen. So first of all, we're gonna take our background and we're gonna plonk it onto a timeline. This is just like a simple sort of live background, very little changes. It can be a video or a photo. Now we're gonna go and place this video on it, the wound with the green screen. Just place this to the start. So now you see that when you play this, all you see is it's just the woman. The woman is the only thing you see, the woman with the green screen. But if you hide it, you see the background in the behind. So now what I'm going to show is how you can remove this green screen such that you can see the background behind and the woman. So we'll be going either in the effects tab here or here. I'll go here. And in the search bar, you will look for an effect called Ultra Key. My caps went a little off there. So you can either just click your video and double click it so the effect automatically gets added, or you can just like drag it, and we want to place it on the video with the green screen, because see, I'll show you what happens. Say if I place it on the background video here, so I place it here. We'll just hide this for a second. We have added the effect here, and in the effects control here, you're going to click on this and you're going to go in the effects control tab here, nothing else. You're going to look for the ultra key right next to effects, ultra key option. It'll be under all the other effects that you may or may not have added, and you'll look for the key color option. In key color option, so what I'm showing you is the easiest and the simplest way to remove the green screen. You're gonna go and look for the key color option and you're gonna click on this tool here. So you may have seen this in other picture editors where you can actually click on a color and that color shows up in the tool that you're using. So you can use the same color on something else. So you're gonna click this and now you have this item here, and we're gonna click on the green over here. Easy as that. This trick is used in a lot of movies, like many of the movies which have like very dangerous stunts. Or so if you have a movie where the events in the movie take place in Antarctica, you won't actually go to Antarctica and shoot over there. On site, you will build a set like Antarctica, and to mimic the background, you're going to set up a green screen. And same as what we've done here, you're going to they just take the picture of Antarctica or like a video of the Antarctican background, and they remove the green screen from behind, like how we did. And thus all your best movies are made. Just as you see this woman talking, this method is also used in news. And when you see that the host is on screen, like there's just all the information behind him. No, he's not sitting anywhere, he's just standing there. What actually is that the screen is in front of him, so he can explain all the information to you, and behind him is the green screen, and the green screen is replaced by the information. So now you'll see this is the final video. You can see the woman talking. Now to actually show this to you, I'll export this. So we'll export our video now. So here this is. I just labeled a background because I didn't actually bother naming the video properly. So I'll just double click on it using VLC player, and now you can see you do not see the green screen background anywhere in the video. Do you see any green? No. Now don't forget to note that if the person that is on screen, say if this lady here wore green, then the green screen effect would also apply to her clothes. Mainly green screen is used because most people don't wear clothes of really bright green. So guys, that was the whole video. Once again, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.